We are waiting so many times. You are taking 3 minutes only.
Here in Orissa with Indulge with Sukriti, and I'm both excited because Starstruck will be in all of her salons. Sukriti आज मुझे सब चीजें सिखाएगी.
मुझे सभी को पूरा उड़ीसा घुमाना है, उड़ीसा खाना खिलाना है, उड़िया लोगों के बारे में और बताना है.
तो वो जो भी आइडिया है, do your research, make sure you work hard. सब चीजें ऐसे easy नहीं आते, and you have to work hard to fulfill your dreams. And we just spoke on it. She's going to teach me everything today. It's like crash course on Orissa.
Okay, जो भी हम लोग ओडिशा में फैन हैं उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सभी फैंस के लिए thank you so much. इतने सालों से आप मुझे support कर रहे हैं, इतना प्यार दिया, so thank you. मैं चाहती हूँ that I come back here as many times as I can and see everybody.
Thank you so much.
Right, our guest is right here with us. Bhubaneswar, give a huge shout out to our beautiful celebrated actress come entrepreneur, none other than Sunny Leone.
Well, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ पे. I think that this is an amazing place to be, first of all. Starstruck is launching here, and to be with Indulge is amazing because, as you can see, it's a one-stop shop for any bride or any bridesmaids or any functions that you're having. You'll be able to get everything you need from start to finish, which is amazing. Secondly, little fact information about Orissa is the last 15 years, Orissa has the most amount of Sunny Leone fans ever, right? When we do analytics, Orissa is one of those places that has the most amount of fans. So thank you so much for supporting me for so long.
मैम आपके प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताओ.
Yeah.
प्रोडक्ट के बारे में.
Give the details about so, the products, as you can see, they're all high quality formula makeup, where one of the things that I really wanted to have was high quality products at affordable prices. And वो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर कोई अपना पैसा पॉकेट से निकालना है, अगर वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं होता है, then what's the point of buying it? And that I've grown up with since I was very small. जब मेरे पास पैसा इतना सा पैसा था, मैं मेकअप खरीदती थी, and जब आता था वो अच्छा नहीं होता था. So that's one of the big reasons why I wanted to create a brand that was high quality products. And if you try the products, then you'll understand how amazing it is. And everything on my face is Starstruck right now, and I think there's a lot of women here also wearing Starstruck today, so that makes me very happy. And I love this product. My entire team has worked very hard. Daniel has worked very, very hard. And between the two of you, you guys have made it possible for Starstruck to be here, so thank you.
Indulge का प्रोडक्ट आप यूज करेंगे?
मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. मेरा पूरा फेस ही Starstruck है.
मैडम मार्केट में इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, लोग इसको ही क्यों यूज करेंगे?
Well, I think that when you think of a homegrown product here in India, we want to create products that are amazing. And literally, Starstruck is a testament to how amazing India can make products here in India. ये products बाहर से नहीं आए, यहाँ से हमने बनाया, and they've turned out absolutely amazing from all the manufacturers all across India. So I think that if you're going to use any products, अगर वो homegrown product है, इससे better नहीं हो सकता है.
उड़ीसा में आपको फिल्म मिलेगा तो आप करेंगे?
हाँ जी.
उड़ीसा में आपको कुछ फिल्म मिलेगा तो आप करेंगे?
हाँ, आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट है?
Pricing starts anywhere from $399 all the way up to $1,999, and then everything in between. It's really everything, everywhere. So it's considered a very, very great value for the formulation.
Okay. Like मैंने बोला था, I think अगर आप bride है या आपका एक function होता है bridesmaid, अगर आप एक जगह पे आ सकते हो और सारी चीजें ले सकते हैं जो आपको चाहिए वो function के लिए, then that's the best. क्योंकि कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है you're a bride or you're a bridesmaid, आपको पता नहीं क्या-क्या चीजें चाहिए, and then you come to one place and वो सारी चीजें एक जगह पे होता है. So I think that's amazing because already I think brides and when you're a bridesmaid बहुत pressure होता है. So coming to one place where that pressure can be taken off and you can get everything you need is amazing.
Thank you.
I wish I had that when I was a bride. And over 20 salons, yes.
सनी जी, आप फर्स्ट टाइम पहली बार कब मेकअप किए थे, कितने एज में? मतलब
मैं
कितने
चुप चुप के मम्मी के मेकअप यूज करती थी और जैसे वो लगाती थी मैंने सेम किया, which is I think one of the reasons I made our blush sticks, our contour sticks and the highlighter sticks, क्योंकि मम्मी ऐसे लिपस्टिक लगाती थी, then लिपस्टिक यहाँ लगाती थी, then यहाँ लगाती थी, and you know that's what those sticks are. They're a testament to how my mother put makeup on, so you literally can use them anywhere.
Last question.
मैम, आप बिना मेकअप में भी इतना सुंदर लग सकते हैं, बिना मेकअप में भी
इतना सुंदर लगता है तो राज क्या है? बिना मेकअप में भी
बिना
इतना सुंदर
makeup,
लगता
I
है
don't know, ये
तो राज
चीज
क्या है?
डैनियल को पूछ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि सिर्फ वो ही मुझे देखते हैं बिना मेकअप के साथ. How do I look with no makeup?
Okay, well, we're here to launch Starstruck, so it's probably not appropriate, but her with no makeup is my favorite.
What is the secret of the?
What is the secret of
What is the secret of the of your beauty?
The secret of her beauty
Daniel,
is, it must be me. It has to be me. That can only be the answer. I hope that's the answer. You ask her separately, see if she tells you the same answer.